Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up a Telegram group. So let's dive in. Go and search for your Telegram. Just search your Telegram. This is it. Open your Telegram. When you open your Telegram, then this is a Telegram interface. Just come to this menu button here. When you come to this menu button here, you click on new group. So what are those that you wanted to add? Just look randomly. For those that you wanted to add, just pick like 4 or 5, and this is it. Click this menu button here, then this is it. Now these are the group that you wanted to fill, so this is it. All right, so let's name the group. What is the group name? Let's say okay, footballer campus. Just click on this mark, you can see, and you have created this group. It is very easy. So you can have up to 20,000. You can do anything on this group. It's very easy. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.